Welcome to the SCI 395 webcast about teacher education. This is the first of 3 short video segments. The cartoon this week relates to last week's topic of standardized tests. I just couldn't find a relevant cartoon for teacher education, but take a couple of seconds to look at it. It's good for math. Our topic for this week is teacher education, the process by which you become both educated about teaching and teaching practices and become certified by an official certifying body. In Ontario, the certifying body is the Ontario College of Teachers. Even if you don't plan to go into teaching, you will probably have children, and it's worth knowing how your child's teachers were educated. We're going to move now to slide 2. Slide 2 provides an overview of the process by which you become a teacher and teacher education beyond that. And as you can see, you start by getting a bachelor's degree in some relevant teachable subject. What is and what is not a teachable subject is determined by the College of Teachers, but it's based on the needs of the Ontario curriculum. It is worth noting that in the US, not all teacher education programs, even today, require a bachelor's degree. Some parents think this is true of Canada too, and it can cause problems. Canadian teachers are very highly educated. Next, you must complete a teacher education program at a recognized institution. These are variously called faculties of education or teachers' colleges, depending on the institution. There are quite a few of these in Ontario. There are also certain online programs that fulfill most of the requirements, although the practicum, also known as practice teaching, portion of it cannot be completed online and would have to be arranged separately. I don't have details on the latter at present. All of this is laid out in the official Ontario College of Teachers 2012 registration guide, subtitled Requirements for Becoming a General Education Teacher in Ontario. I've uploaded this document to Knowledge Forum for you. Following your general teacher education, you may wish to take additional qualifications, AQ courses, or additional basic qualifications, ABQ courses. These can expand your teachable subjects and provide you with the chance to teach in more areas, which can be more interesting, and also to enhance your employability. The more things you are qualified to teach, the more likely you will keep your job in hard times or get a job in hard times. You also need special ABQ courses to become a vice principal, principal, or supervisor. ABQ courses can allow you to move into entirely new teaching areas. When computers were first introduced in the schools, almost no teachers had any experience of them. New ABQ courses were introduced that allowed people to become computer science teachers. We can expect to see more of this kind of thing as society evolves. Moving to slide 3. This has been a brief overview of teacher education in Ontario. The reading this week dealt with lifelong learning for teachers. Many professional organizations are now mandating that all members upgrade their skills and knowledge on a regular basis. In medicine, this is through continuing medical education, CME, credits. I expect the teachers will similarly have to do this on a regular basis in the future. So what do you think of the idea of officially mandated teacher education plans for professional growth? I'll be online Thursday between 4 and 6 for you to post your thoughts. Post them in the Lifelong Learning view linked off the Teacher Education view. We will now break for you to think about this. This ends the Part 1 video of Teacher Education. We will resume with the Part 2 video.